guys, it's Linda and I'm back again with another video. I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. So let's just get into the haul because it is a huge, amazing, girly Dollar Tree haul. So obviously, I gotta start with lashes, and we all know that Ioni lashes are undefeated. I have not had any luck finding the new collection. I think it's called the Dollhouse collection. So let me know in the comments if you guys have had any luck, because that collection is so cute. So the ones that I found were the Lash Club collection, the Halfling lashes, and the Lash Angeles collection. So I'm gonna go through these. I am so happy that Ioni finally got into the half lashes, because this is actually my secret. I can't wear full strip lashes anymore. So what I do is I cut them in half. So one pair of lashes actually gives me 2 pairs of lashes, because I always cut them in half, and I just put them at the end for a nice like natural little cat eye effect. So I got these 4 half lashes, and they're all in different styles. This one is Bougie, and it's a nice little wispy cluster. This one is Drama Addict, has kind of that cat eye long from the back kind of effect. So does this one, but this one's like a little thicker and more like crisscross. This one is the Baby Fox curl hairs, and then this last one is It Girl. And this is actually my favorite because I'm into a more like natural thinner lash, and this is so pretty, and their packaging is always just so cute. The next lashes were the new soft clear band lashes. These are clusters, so you can put them in under your eyes like as little individuals, and I really am into the individual lashes. This one is as well. Kind of like a similar style, and this one's a little more spiky. So these are the clear lash cluster lashes from Ioni. Next, I found some great sponges. So this little pack of sponges is a 4-pack, and what caught my eye was that they're pretty soft. They're not like stiff. So I like these really cute lashes to keep in my makeup kit. These are really nice for applying skincare and putting on your primer or your moisturizer. Just a nice little bouncy sponge. So this is a 4-pack in like a star shaped. I also found these makeup remover pads. Look how big they are. These are awesome. I really like this kind of microfiber material, really good for removing your makeup. All you need is water and cleanser, or a balm to remove your makeup, and this just really gets in there gently, especially with the eye makeup. So it comes with 2. Next, I found some adorable nail finds. So first was this heart nail polish. It is so cute. I love a good glitter or confetti nail polish. And this one caught my eye because it is like a bunch of holographic, multicolored heart confetti. And I thought this would be a really nice like topper. Me and my daughter love to do little manicure nights, so I love to do her nails. It's just a thing. So this is definitely going to be used in me and my daughter's manicure nights. I was so excited when I found this nail file. It is a glass nail filer. I had heard that glass nail filers are way better for your nails, and they kind of like help with the breakage. So I'm really glad that I found this. They had different colors, but I got the pink. Me and my daughter, like I said, love to do manicure nights, and she's such a girly girl. She loves stickers, gems, decals. So I found these beautiful nail gems. They are in different colors, and if you'll see, there's like different shapes too. Like some of them are flowers. It just has a really nice variety. So I thought this was a really cool find. And then Ioni also has their little nail art as well. I had gotten one of these before, and me and my daughter had a blast with them, so I got it again. This one has gems and pearls. So So I thought this was really cool. You can use it as like eye jewels, but I actually thought this would be really cool, especially the pearls, to do like little pearl nail art on my wedding. These nail gems are so cute, and like you cannot beat $1.25 for something like this, because if you were to get them on Amazon or go to a beauty supply store, they would not be $1.25. Next in nails, I found this 2-piece nail art tool. It comes with a dotting tool for you to make cool designs with your nail polish, and this really nice brush for acrylics. But low-key, I really like this brush for like concealer. So the dotting tool is a plus, but I really like this brush, so I got it mainly because of this brush. I'm gonna use this for makeup. I know I will. Next in beauty, I found a 2-pack nail sharpener. You can never have too many of these. Like, they just get nasty for whatever reason. And 2 for $1.25, you cannot beat it. So it comes with the jumbo and the regular size pencil. So I like to use these for my, you know, makeup pencils, lip pencils, eye pencils, lip crayons for these jumbo ones. So this nice little 2-pack. They come in different colors. I got this really pretty kind of bluish purple pastel color. Next, I found this really cute little glitter coin pouch. It's just cute, and my daughter's like really into carrying her purse everywhere she goes. So I got this for her so she can keep her little money, her little change and everything. And it's just so cute. And I love little clickety click coin purses. The next bag is a cosmetic bag that I got. The little zipper is really cute. It has a little pink puff, but I got this because it's clear, and I struggle sometimes with carrying a lot of little bags in my purse, and I always have to look through every bag to find what it is I'm looking for. So I figured a nice clear pouch so I can find the item without having to open it, and I can see, oh, my lip gloss is in this one, you know, for traveling and whatnot. So it's just a cute little clear makeup bag. Next, I found this packing cube because why not? It is a great little packing tool for when you're going on vacation. A great way to keep your suitcase organized. So it unzips and you can like pack your things in here and then put it away nice and neat in your luggage. So I thought that was cool. This is by the Closet Essentials brand. And the last items are so cute. It is summertime and you want your little cute drinkity drink. So I found these cute drink pouches in these 2 designs, and I thought they were so adorable. So they come with 6 pouches and the straws. How adorable is that? So this one is kind of like little sunrise colors, and this one is flamingo pattern. I just thought they were cute and would be a fun little concept for a party or something. It's just cute to me. So that is all for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed all the cute finds that I got on this visit. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell icon if you want to get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.